Good morning, people. It's me again. It's a little overcast again. I'm here in front of my husband's cousin's breakfast little place right here in La Brea. Morning. We getting ready to go to my husband's to do some business. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
How you doing? Say
What
hello.
are you
Say
taking
good
this
morning. I'm not eating this morning. This is the area of Point Fortin in Trinidad. So what my husband is doing, he's gonna get ready to try and get his Trinidadian ID. So let's see, but this is Point 14. Still raining. We are in Point Fortin, Trinidad, trying to see if my husband could get his ID. So, still rainy, still a rainy day. Right now we're going to his cousin-in-law's job just to say hello. And this is what we're working with. It's been raining for the last couple of days. Look at it. Oh, this is like industry area in Point Fortin. All this industry.
That's the LNG plant.
The what plant?
LNG.
Oh,
Natural gas plant.
that's the gas plant over there, the LNG plant in Point Fortin. Yeah, so we're gonna see what we're gonna get into today because it's raining. I was gonna go to the mud bath today, but it's raining. So hopefully we get into something good today. See you then. Hello, people. Excuse my face because I am just so swollen. I've been really tired. So excuse my little face. Sorry for looking like this. I'm so sorry. But anyway, so we're gonna see what we're gonna get into today. And like I said, I want to bring some content to you guys today. So the plan is to go see if my husband could get his Trinidadian ID from Trinidad, and then probably go, I guess, to get whatever stuff, done, because I think his cousin wants to go around and do some stuff. And like I said, the weather is very bad here in Trinidad. The weather is it's been raining for the last couple of days. I was supposed to go mud bathing today with my sister-in-law. Well, not my sister-in-law, I'm sorry, with my husband's cousin-in-law. And with the weather, we can't get to do anything. We can't get to the beach or anything. But we're still outside. We're still gonna enjoy the day, no matter rain or shine. We're gonna go out and enjoy the beautiful day. And like I said, this is Point Fortin. And this is like industry area. I guess they do the oils and everything around here. So we're gonna see what we're gonna get into. And again, it's been a rough morning. It's been raining when I tell you it's been raining all morning. But We're gonna try and get into something. I think they want to cook some wild meat or whatever they call it. So I'll show you the meat that they want to call. They want to cook because they eat guana. They eat iguana here, and they eat something called tattoo that is like a big old rat. They want to try and get me to eat that, but no, I am not eating that. But I'm gonna show you guys the process and how they're cooking it. So we're gonna see. I'll bring you guys along with me. All right, have a good one. Okay, what are you gonna do?
We're not sure we can go to Chunky.
And that means rat. He gonna eat some rat and guana. That's what he means, chunke. Right? That's what you said? They're gonna eat it for themselves. I am not eating that. He's gonna chunke the rat and the guana. That's what you're gonna do. I'm gonna eat bhaji, saltfish, and rice because this nice lady right here is gonna cook the real food for me. Not no rat. We not having rat. Are you having rat?
No way.
You having rat? He's gonna eat it. That's crazy.
That's right.
Nope, not me. Okay, we are here buying some, they call it dashing bush. We're gonna make some food today, so we are here buying some vegetables for the food.
Yeah.
Hello. Call this dashing girl.
Me? Why cooking?
You cooking?
Nah, not me. Mama. Madam cooking.
That it is?
No, not me.
She help with it.
Not me.
She ain't cooking.
This is
You already
Give me some cassava.
this is pepper sauce over here. It hurt. It hurt. You have a parrot?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, okay. See, he got. Oh, he got a little parrot too. Look at it. Hello. Hello, little boy. How are you? How are you? How are you? See, he got birds everywhere. Just birds. These parrots are so expensive in America, and they only go for about $400 here. It's crazy. Hi. Hi. Hello. I could pass it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come and drop the Roman here. Come on. Oh, you go right.
Oh, you go right with you. That's you. That's right in back. You right in front.
Look at this banana in the people's backyard. Very different. And this right here is dashing bush they use for callaloo here in Trinidad. I mean, this is somebody's backyard, okay? They are planting their own vegetables. Look at that. Right from the tree. Right from the tree, he grabbed some plantains. I think it's different here in Trinidad. Look at it. Dashing. And I tell you, this is the life where you could come. Oh, look at it. Look at it. All the chickens. Look at it. Chickens. Right in the backyard. You could get fresh eggs. Fresh eggs. Unbelievable. Okay. Well, this is how they live in Trinidad. I think these are herbs in here. I'm not sure. I think all these is herbs that people use to cook with. Okay. You don't have to go to no store and buy no banana. There you go. Grabbing some bananas right off the tree. This is where we're gonna get our roti. Yes. This is where we're getting our roti, so. How you doing, puppy? Huh? Look at the backyard. This is the roti, the chicken roti. So I'm gonna take a bite out of it and show you guys. So, it's pretty good. You got chicken. It's pretty good. I love roti. I'm a roti lover. I'm hungry too. Okay, this is the process. This is what you call it, chunke?
Yeah.
Yeah, they call this chunke. They're making, what are you making? Yeah, so this is all the brown veggies and the banana. This is what?
There's yam here.
This is yam. This is
Banana.
cassava. And cassava. Put in the meat to brown. So first you put the sugar to brown, and then he's putting all. What kind of meat is this?
Huh?
What kind of meat?
That's tattoo. Why?
Tattoo.
What is it called in America, what? Armadillo.
Oh, it's armadillo. OMG,
What's the
I got you.
name?
So this is armadillo.
Right.
My goodness. I tell you, the people in Trinidad are different. Well, so this is all the production going on. We got him cutting up all the veggies. And oh, he got all these here. What is this? Onion,
That's the seasoning.
cilantro, all the celery,
onion, garlic, and pimento.
and pimento. Okay, there we go. We'll be right back. That's lemongrass. Gonna put on the armadillo. That's what it looks like. Okay. So he put in some lemongrass on the armadillo and some more water.
Oh, come on!
This is the provision.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the process so far. Even this armadillo, it looks okay, it looks good, but never had it before.
Yeah, you still gotta go wait for you to finish and put up.
Okay.
Yeah, then after it goes in the package and thing. Right.
This smell.
Smell nice.
This is seasonings, thyme, like what we cook in the States with, but it's from the garden, fresh. You see, everything is so food. This is another food. Some cooking downstairs and some upstairs. This is what you call bhaji, right? This is plantain. Plantain. Okay, that's how they eat in Trinidad. Fresh food. And this is some corn she got here. This is saltfish. This is sweet potatoes. Yep, this is how they do it in Trini. Okay, I'm in here helping to fry some fish while sorry people, listen, don't pay me no mind, I'm kind of sleepy. This is plantain, no fish, sorry. While Marva is doing the cooking, so I'm being nice and helping her fry some plantain to go with our delicious food. Yes, so this is a nice quiet day today. We're not doing absolutely nothing. We're just chilling out, you know, because it's a nice day. Very overcast day, so we're gonna eat and relax. But this is what we're doing. Okay, people, this is the finishing product. This is curried armadillo with the bus up shot. They call this bus up shot. It's like a Indian thing that they eat with curry. Let me taste this. Hold on. I'm not eating the armadillo. I'm tasting the sauce. Because ain't nobody got time to be eating poor little armadillos over here. No, ma'am. The sauce is good, but I'm not eating the armadillo. Ain't no way that's gonna touch my mouth. Okay. Alright, this is the finished product of Marva cooking her food, the plantain. We have corn, then sweet potato. This is rice with bhaji, they call it. It's something like a spinach, but it's called bhaji and saltfish. And this is, I'm coming, and this is coleslaw.
When you're ready for.
Alright, and I got some avocado here too. So here goes the taste. Let's see. Woo, hot. Woo. So good. It tastes the coleslaw. When I tell you, she make coleslaw with pineapple. There's a difference. So now I'm gonna start. That's the cook right here. Alright, she put celery also. So from now on, I'm gonna start putting pineapple in my coleslaw and celery. It's the best thing ever. The food is great. The rice, nice and fresh. You guys, let me tell you. Let me tell you something different. They call this sweet potato, but the Trinidadian sweet potato. Man, when I tell you, the fruit is so fresh and good here. Alright, I'm gonna go finish eat. I'm gonna finish eat. But when I tell you, this is good. Come. Let me have my husband taste the. We're gonna taste the. Look, she put pineapple. I'm gonna start putting pineapple in mine now. It's good. That's good. Let me see. Let me taste the corn. You know, she put coconut milk in the corn. There's a different story. When you're in Trinidad, you're gonna eat. This is the avocado. It's huge and it's so sweet. Sweet and so good. I tell you, it's good. Let me go get some breadfruit. Where's the breadfruit? Oh, they get me some breadfruit? I'll be right back. Okay. Now I got cassava. Woo. I love cassava. You call it? That's how you say it, right? Cassava. In English, how you say? Huh? How you say it in English?
Cassava.
In Spanish, how do you say it in Spanish? Yuca. I say yuca. And then this is breadfruit. Breadfruit. Good. The food is different here. Mahika?
Yeah, Mahika Oval.
Okay, so this is a track.
Yeah, that's a football.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. When it's having football league, they use here track and field meets.
Okay.
And here's where Civic Center Jets, new Jets, they train here now.
Okay.
100 meters for Trinidad and Tobago.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
When he comes back, he comes here and train with them.
Okay.
He brings stuff for them. Mahika Area Hospital. See the sign there?
Yeah. So this is the hospital where my husband's cousin's children were born. In this hospital. So where's the hospital over here?
Yeah, this whole flat building.
This
This
one?
whole flat, yeah, all this.
Oh wow.
Those over there was the nurses' quarters.
Oh, so they closed down.
Yeah. They're just using it probably to store stuff.
Oh wow. And that's how many years ago? 14? 14 years ago?
15 years ago.
15, that's how old your daughter is, right?
Yeah, she'll
15.
be 16 this year.
At least they have security guard in there.
Yeah, because they don't want people to come and vandalize it. They still have stuff in there.
Okay,
And
so this was a
section
hospital.
Here is the daycare. I mean maternity section,
ward,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that was the maternity
Wow.
ward, yeah.
Okay.
And here the nurses and matrons used to live in this house, but they end up selling it. So
So look how
somebody
nice the
bought it.
house is. Yeah, they have it
somebody
kept
bought
up
it.
real nice.
Yeah, and you see they recently painted, they refurbished it. All up here, these were old time barracks. You see how it still have the barracks look at those houses, yeah.
Look at this house.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So people just buy it and they fix it
And
up
they
and
fix
make
it
it,
up.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this look like a quiet neighborhood around.
Yeah. All
Oh,
these-
this was barracks too?
Yeah, right. But now no one is there, like family who die out and who migrate. Look, all those you see abandoned. They just sell it. Here's Tech
Land for sale, you see, it's
Yeah.
land for sale.
Yeah.
And what's this?
This is Tech Credit Union. They bought
Okay.
land and billets, but it's too far for customers to come up here.
So they just left it.
left it. Yeah, you see? All these
Yeah, look at
for sale. Everything is
all
just...
these properties for sale and they just left it there. This would have been such a nice little neighborhood if people just come and buy it up.
Yeah.
Look at that. Abandoned house.
And Holy Name Convent School is in the back here. There is a school in the back here. This is a convent, Holy Name Convent Secondary School.
Right here.
Yeah,
Is it
look at
still
here.
functioning?
Yes, yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. So this is a convent school.
Yeah, all girls.
Secondary is all girls school.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. I think I ought to get bored going to an all girls school.
Bringing it back.
Yeah, look at this one.
This one here is the owner, Feroza's, in Point Fortin.
What is that? A business
Yeah,
person.
she lives here, Feroza's.
That's a nice house.
Yeah.
You got a big house.
Let me carry down in here. This is called Clifton Hill Manor.
Clifton Hill Manor.
It's
Look
a
at this one.
restaurant and hotel. You can
Right here?
food is,
Oh, okay.
this
But
is
look at this
personal.
house.
Yeah, this is people's house.
Yeah, this is a nice house. Okay. Look at this, people. They got some nice little houses down here. Look at they have a pool down there.
Yeah, right. That's the Clifton Hill Manor. That's there.
Okay.
You can spend, yeah, you can
So
stay
you
here.
could come and have a stay right here.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, and the food is nice. I went here already. There was an NIS conference and it was hosted here.
Okay, so this is an
See
inn
their
that you
phone
could stay in
number?
right there.
You can call them. Yeah, it really.
Nice.
Yeah,
I
the
like
food is
that.
nice.
Yes, I'm getting another tour for what? Point Fortin. Yeah, it's nice. Look
You all
up.
went down to the beach, to the inn down there?
Mm-mm.
Okay, we'll go down there and it's here.
This is shopping center in San Fernando, Trinidad. See how it's very lively here in San Fernando, Trinidad. All this. Oh, where we going?
Yeah,
Okay. Let's see the store. Okay, so this is San Fernando. This is a store in San Fernando. This is where my mom was born. My mother was born in San Fernando. So this is the store.
This is our where our everything we need here, our hair products.
They have skincare, they have hair products. We're going to get sweets.
Oh, where the city front here.
Let me see, they have perfumes. I wonder how much perfumes is here. Ooh, cha! You see those prices? Well, that's not American money though, so don't get worried, people. That's Trinidadian money.
7 to 1.
7 to 1. So $7, 7 Trinidadian dollars to $1. Look at this. This is a nice little store. In the city where my mom was born. What's San Fernando? Look at this. You could get everything. It's like a little Walmart. The only thing you have is no clothes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but everything else is, they have the sweets, they have colognes, they have hair products, skincare, soaps. That's what.
That is beautiful.
Oh, this is me right here. This is what I'm coming for. Let me show you people. This is the best thing ever. I should get 2 packs and just get it over. Oh, let me see. Sorry. I'm not something nice. I'm something